My name is Miriam. I am 52 years old. I have one son. His name is Kelvin. Kelvin is 25 years old. His father left when Kelvin was only 2. I raised Kelvin alone. I worked day and night. I washed clothes for people. I cleaned houses. I cooked in small restaurants. I did everything to feed him. When Kelvin was small, he was sweet. He hugged me every morning. He said, "Mama, I love you." Those words kept me alive. But things changed when he grew older. When he was 15, he stopped talking to me. When he was 18, he stopped listening to me. When he was 20, he called me old-fashioned. He said I embarrassed him. Kelvin finished school. He began working in a small office. He earned more money than me. He met new friends. He met a girl. Her name was Lisa. Lisa was beautiful. She was modern. She spoke English very well. She wanted a rich lifestyle. Slowly, Kelvin changed. He stopped eating my food. He stopped coming home early. He stopped greeting me. He only came home to sleep. One evening, I asked him, "Kelvin, why don't you talk to me anymore?" He said, "Mama, please stop acting like a village woman. Let me live my life." His words cut me like a knife. After that, he stopped giving me money. He said he was saving for important things. Sometimes I ate only tea and bread for dinner. I never complained. I only prayed for him. Months passed. One night, Kelvin came home angry. He shouted, "Mama, where is my black shirt?" I said, "I washed it. It is still drying." He shouted, "You always ruin my things. Why can't you do one thing right?" He pushed the chair. He slammed the door. I sat alone in the dark. I cried quietly. That night, something broke inside me. 1 month later, Kelvin lost his job. He didn't tell me. He pretended everything was fine. But one morning, I saw him sitting outside. His clothes were dirty. His eyes were red. He looked lost. I sat beside him. I said, "Kelvin, talk to me." For the first time in years, he cried. He said, "Mama, Lisa left me. My friends left me. I have no job. I have no money. I have nothing." He held his head in his hands. He said, "I am sorry, Mama. I forgot everything you did for me. I forgot who you are. I forgot who I am." I touched his shoulder. I said softly, "My son, you can lose everything, but you will never lose me." Kelvin cried on my lap like a small boy. He said, "Mama, please forgive me. I was blind." I hugged him. I forgave him, because a mother's heart never closes. Today, Kelvin is changing. He talks to me. He eats with me. He helps me with the rent. He thanks me. I see my boy again. Not the proud man, but the little child who loved me. And I learned something important. People forget who raised them, but life always reminds them. And when they fall, a mother is the only hand still open. If you felt this story, please like, share, and subscribe. And remember,
A mother's love is the home you return to when the world breaks you.